Hi guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing. This is a Goyard bag. From the size of the dust bag, you can guess that it's a mini bag. Let's see which one it is. Here it is. So this is the mini Anjou. I'm actually not sure how to say it correctly, but I think it's a mini Anjou bag. So like I said, this is a mini size, and I bought the classic black and brown color. The front is the same as the back, and this is the bottom. So this bag can be carried on both sides. So the outside is a classic Goyard pattern, and the inside is a different color, and mine is in the tan color. So let me take out what's inside first. I'm not sure what this is actually. So I think it's just an information card. And it comes with a small pouch like this, same as the regular St. Louis tote, but that one has a bigger pouch and it's removable. So you can see here it's quite a tiny one. Let me open it up and take a look. Inside is just a single layer. There's no additional compartment. This is actually quite convenient, and this button is detachable, so you can actually take it off and then use it on its own as a small wallet. Let's take a look at the inside. There's no additional compartment, just a big space. So like I said, this bag can be used on both sides. If you turn it over, there's a small logo there. So this pouch is actually quite convenient. I usually put things that I need quick access to, like my ID in it. And because there's no compartment, it's a little bit troublesome to find things sometimes. Alright, so let me take this out and let me actually turn this over to show you what it looks like. Well, it's a lot harder than I thought it will be. It's actually very difficult to flip it. I do not recommend you guys try it. I feel like I'm almost breaking this bag. But anyways, I'm going to do it to show you what it looks like, and I'm actually curious myself to see if it looks good.
"2,000 years later."
Alright, I did it. So, well, I didn't do the bottom completely because I still want to turn it back, so I'm not going to do it anymore. But it looks like this. Alright, here you go. So it's just an ordinary small tote. I don't think anyone's gonna carry it like this, so let me actually turn it over. Okay, it took me a lot of effort to turn it over, so I wouldn't recommend you to try it. It made a lot of creases to the bag. Okay, so let me show you what can fit inside. This bag can fit a ton, definitely more than my daily essentials. I found it to be a nice mini version of my regular mommy bag when I need to carry things like diapers or snacks. I want to first show you some close-ups of the bag. So here it is. I really like the brown color combined with the black. And this is the tan color. Inside you can see the logo there. Now let's see what it can fit inside. Let me take out the pouch first. So I actually like to put the dust bag in, and you will see why. Let's start with the bigger items. So this is a normal size bottle of water. It will definitely fit in. And then I have a diaper here. So I fold it up and then put it there. And then this is a huge pack of wipes. I don't think normal people bring such a big pack, but you know, for testing purposes, let's see. Then here I have my LV mini pouch, which fits all my makeups inside. So let's put that in. And then I have my hand sanitizer, hand cream, and also a bug repellent. So I can actually fit all this in the LV mini pouch, but I'm just gonna put them in like this for now. And then this is my sunglasses. And of course my LV 6-key holder. Last but not least, I'm going to put this small pouch in. So I would probably just put my ID and some cash in it for easy access. And it's quite convenient, and you can definitely fit it in with no issues. So now you can see that it's quite full, but you can definitely fit more things in it if you want. And now here is why I put the dust bag in. You can see that this bag doesn't have zippers, so I can actually just pull it up and my stuff will not fall out. So here you have it. Everything fits in nicely. Now let me show you how it looks on me. This bag will be handheld most of the time, like this. and you can definitely put it on the hook of your arm. One question I had before buying this bag was that if this can be carried over the shoulder because I was worried that the strap is a bit short. The answer is yes, you can, so let me show you. I have an average body frame and I can definitely wear this over my shoulder. It's not too tight and it's easy to get your things in and out from the bag. I find it quite convenient. So when you need to free your hands, you can totally do it. You can definitely wear this over your shoulder. I didn't have any issues with it. The shoulder straps is long enough for me. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you next time. Bye!